We're delivering the final prosthesis, and from the pupil plane out, the lower lid needs some support. So we're going to use some Restylane Lyft, and this will give him support for about 2 years so that the prosthesis will stay in position, the lids will close nicely, and the tears won't just stay down there. So I really like this piece. And now we're going to deposit just a little ribbon of this material very deeply. Okay, and again we're going to just put another quick little ribbon in, very thin, to support the lower lid.